Okay, let's add some images to what we've already got. Now the images we're going to add, let's just pull the images from the ASP.NET 4.5 text and the project that they've got. You can download it from their website if you don't already have them. It's noted in the book. The easiest way is we'll go to our images, right click on it. Having downloaded the images, all you have to do is point to that directory. So we're going to add, and it's an existing item, and I've already got my files in here. So I'll select whichever files I want. I click add, and then I end up with eventually all my files in here. You can add them one at a time, or you can add multiples. It's easiest just to add them one at a time. Now, to do this, it's pretty straightforward to add the pictures in there. So now they're all in that images folder. Let's go back to our style sheet. Let's make some changes to it. All right, let's change the size of that wrapper to 844. Put the width of the header to 844. Okay. And you can see any changes that I made in here. They basically relate to width, and that's due to the size of these images. Okay. So we'll set the header, the background image for the header. We point the URL for that to the images folder. And the header image. Do the same thing for the nav background, the aside. Okay, so we're just pointing and saying that I want the background image to be whatever it is, and that's our theme. Okay. Now if we go run it from here, hang on, let me back up. I don't want to run my style sheet, I want to run my entire project. So I'll go ahead and run my default page. And now our page is loading up, and even if had we gone and looked at design view, we'd see that they're still pulling in that theme, and now the change in that theme is including these background images. Now you see we still have our text. Footer goes here, sidebar goes here, nav menu goes here, but we also have header goes here. So we need to make that text go away, because given this background image, it won't look right up there. So you can use any image you want. Just note the size of the image has to fit within what we're dealing with on that style sheet for the size of the space that we're looking at. So our next step will be this nav menu. So I'll go ahead and I'll close this, and in between now and the next video I'll go ahead and delete that text, and I want to see you next. We'll work on that nav